Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website which is Gigabyte. Any device require the driver you can find and install, download and install. Send in, then in you can see this is right hand side. This is search button. Just click it and then enter your model number which is you required. Then in search hit me with the best key and then type Z790 Wi-Fi, then hit enter. Then click on product Z790 Wi-Fi. Then click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, Windows 10. Both installations process same, so you select any. So Wi-Fi, W LAN means Wi-Fi, C Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. And open and double click to exe. Click on yes. Wait few seconds, this is Wi-Fi driver is installing. And then close it.